Okay, so we're about halfway, at least lots of you are about halfway done, where you are at like 3 to maybe 3.5 inches tall. Okay, so if you're looking at this, I'm at about 3 or almost 3. So if we're making something that's about 6 to 7 inches tall, we're halfway through. Okay, so you kind of have to think about what does your pot look like for the top half of this, because it's not there yet. Okay, and so you need to have a vision in mind on what you want this to look like, and I'm trying to hold these up so then you can kind of think about it. These can all look a little bit different, okay, but once you get to about 5 inches wide, you really do want to start going up instead of going out, okay, because everybody started going out and making them bigger, but look how I could get something that looks like this, okay, where it gets quite a bit smaller and then flares out, but I could also get something still that looks like this, okay, where it still has a bigger opening to the top. And so you really have to think about what direction am I putting these to get the shape that I want. Okay, like if I know that this is the biggest I want it to be, then I need to have those small slabs going straight up, okay? Because if you keep flaring them out, then it's going to just keep getting bigger. Okay, so you need to have them straight up. If you think, well, now I want it to get smaller, then you need to make sure that these pieces angle in so you can make something smaller at this top or even here, okay? So this one would have to angle for a longer amount of time where this one wouldn't. Okay, but we are halfway through, and so we need to make sure that we are starting to go up and then looking at where do you need to start going in. Okay, because everybody will go up. The in for the form or the profile of your pot is going to be different. Okay, so something that everybody will individually think about, but once you get to that widest point, we need to start going up.